guys, how are you today? If you if your communication skill are weak, this how you fix it fast. I'm going to show you three simple method and that actually work even if you are makes you perfect. Learning is never ending. They think too much and speak very little, tiny amount, and they shy. Start speaking out loudly every day, even if you are alone. Speaking in your head does not improve your communication skill. AI help you with your communication. Any AI, you can use anything. They're gonna give you the script. They're gonna give you the practice. They're gonna talk to you. Use AI conversation tool. Ask how to talk with you like a friend and correct your mistake. Now speak out loudly. Practice real conversation. No pressure and no judgment. No one gonna judge you because people doesn't have time for you. Listen and repeat. Watch the short videos and repeat sentence. Speak loudly. How I improve my communication skill. How to improve your communication skill first and beginner guide. This is for just for the beginner. And if your communication skill weak, this is how you fix it fast. I'm going to show you three simple method that actually work even if you are beginner. Like me, I used to very nervous when I communicate with some people, anyone. Like confidence come from the repetition. It doesn't come from the silence. If you're silent, that doesn't coming on you. You think your communication skill automatically will be built. No. Practice build your communication skill. Here is how. Confidence come from repetition every day, 100 repetition. No pain, no gain. Do this for 10 minutes every day. Start today and your communication skill will improve faster than you think. Follow for more videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want.